Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since I've done this analysis here, but want to get things updated as the chart, from a technical point of view at least, is now approaching a very important level. And first off, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part and that I have some sort of special skill. Actually, quite the opposite. I assure you, anybody that uses charts and understands charts has taken notice of this level and is going to be wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have on this one down here at, let's see, what is that? $13.80. If you go back through the past several weeks, you can see that the price was down there, found some support right there. Didn't hit exactly, but definitely well within the range, found some support. And then you fast forward to today, and once again, the price essentially bounced right off $13.80. So like I said, a whole lot of eyeballs are watching that one, long, shorts, and everybody in between. And everybody's, wondering the same thing, is this level going to hold up and, produce some sort of bounce? Or is this going to be a situation where, maybe the price goes sideways here a little bit and then gets continuation to the downside? So keep a very close eye on 1380 because that is one of those levels where, like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. A whole lot of people are going to be watching that one. In the event 1380 does not hold up, then the next level of support to keep an eye on would be down there at $12.50. Now, I'm not saying that if 1380 fails, then within 2 hours the price is going to be down at $12.50. My point is that, technically speaking, looking back at the history of things, there just simply isn't any other areas of support down around this area. So while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it also would not be shocking to see the price drift down to $12.50 especially if there's a high volume break of that 1380 mark. However, to be fair, right now getting a little bit ahead of myself because so far so good. 1380 is holding up as support. In the event there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, key level of resistance to watch is going to be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the famous 50-day simple moving average. You can see right there that that was the exact level that essentially pushed the price back downwards. So keep a close eye on that going forward. Although at this point in time, top priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so trying to consolidate out and ensure that this 13.50 mark does indeed hold as support. So all in all, though, an interesting chart, an interesting area where the price is currently sitting. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. Still a couple days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.